mercy, mercy. Mercy, mercy, mercy. You came down as a mercy. On your home, Akiyama, you will save me with your mercy. Mercy, mercy, mercy. You came down as a mercy. You will say, oh my Lord, will you save them with your mercy? We were so lost, we were so cold, needing your hope to know what to do. Then you're all I came from your words, came to the one who called for us in the cave of the night. When you sat and you cried and you called to the one above, you were lost and then found. You were sent as a mercy for mankind,
to save themselves from their souls.
Mercy, mercy, mercy. You came down as a mercy. On your home, Akiyama, you will save me with your mercy. Mercy, mercy, mercy. You came down as a mercy. You will say, oh my Lord, will you save them with your mercy? You showed us the right way, the path to the gateway, the freedom from hearsay. You showed us truth. The trust what we
Little puppy. Yes. That just come back. Who is me? Look at my daughter. Who will agree for this life that I will be a commissioner? Oh, thank you, mommy. Mommy has so far. Yeah, well, mommy has so far. Suffered before. Mommy, they blackmail me. They accuse me. God is alive. Child. Whatever I do. They made I have good neighbors. Hey!
mercy, mercy, mercy. You came down as a mercy. You will say, oh my Lord, will you save them with your mercy?
See, I've been praying for your mercy from the day we stand sweaty and thirsty. And although I know I'm not worthy, I still pray that won't deter me to drink from